The Crispin team of Keller Williams Realty Branson, Missouri would like to present to you this property. For more information, call 417-335-3109. Wow! The phenomenal panoramic views of Table Rock Lake and the rolling Ozark Mountains across the horizon will take your breath away. These views can be seen from the moment you step in the door and continue from the living room, kitchen, primary bedroom, lower-level living room and bedroom. Home boasts spacious living room with a wood-burning fireplace to cozy up to, open kitchen, primary suite and 3 additional bedrooms, 2 living areas, 1 upstairs and 1 down, a dream workshop complete with outdoor access allowing for a John Deere room, expansive deck and patio to relax on, and much more. This gem is located in a subdivision with excellent owner pride and boat launch access. Call today for your private showing.